Welcome! In this video, we will review how to track and collaborate within the BEHCA app. We begin logged into our BEHCA account with a profile created and background information updated. Selecting the Track tab at the top of the screen, we can see three sections where we can record data for this individual. These sections are broken into Behavior, Environment, and Health. The behavior tracking section of this app is segmented into desirable behavior, which can also be thought of as goal behavior, pre-crisis behavior, which are the warning signs to crisis behavior, and intervention strategies, which are supports and strategies which can facilitate regulation in an individual, and are often enacted when pre-crisis behavior is observed. Each of these sections, as with all tracking in BEHCA, use easy-to-select pick lists in order to make recording data as easy as possible on either the web or mobile BEHCA apps. These behaviors can be selected from a list as a single data point, or could be associated with a duration, if appropriate, which can be very useful when analyzing behavior trends. Once a behavior is selected, simply select the plus button to record it. Note that all daily track data for the given section shows in a list on the right-hand side of the screen. We could always delete data by selecting the trash icon as shown. With the BEHCA app, we have the ability to not only record data, but also add comments and commentary around the behavior. General notes around behavior can be added by using the section at the bottom of the screen. Simply select Add Note and type in the commentary. We can also add comments to a specific data point that we tracked. Simply select the comment icon on the data, and as before, type in the desired text. Beyond simply notes and commentary around an individual is the ability to notify and message other staff directly through the app. For example, we can select a behavior and use the @ symbol to mention another staff person, in this case, Zach, and leave a pertinent note regarding the behavior. This will notify this staff person by email, but also through the mobile app if they have it installed on their phone, and is a great way to communicate about what is happening while eliminating crosstalk in the room. We can also mark notes as private by selecting the Privacy Eye icon next to the message. This will make this note viewable only by the person who wrote it and the designated supervisor, a staff role that is assigned under the Manage Staff menu. Notes can also be edited and updated by selecting the Edit icon next to the given note. In addition to the Behavior Tracking tab, we also have environmental factors we can track, with the same style pick lists and easy to select plus buttons to apply data. As before, this section also allows for general environmental notes to be added at the bottom of the page. What's more, under the third Health tab, we can see any scheduled medications, which can be given, skipped, or refused, with pertinent reasons and outcomes entered for clarity. Under this Health section, we also have the option of tracking any known health challenges, such as migraines in this example, and a range of observable health factors that could influence behavior. We also include the option of tracking common dietary triggers, and with a rating for daily digestive condition. Sleep, exercise, water intake, current weight, and blood pressure levels can also be tracked if pertinent. Like the other sections, general health notes can be added at the bottom of this section as well. What is unique about the BEHCA app is that each of these sections can and should be entirely customized based on the individual who we are tracking data for. And customization of these lists can be done under the Profile Customization section, which we walk through in detail in another Getting Started video. These lists are easily customized by adding new behaviors, reordering items, and removing items which simply do not apply. All notes, track data, and medication logs can be reviewed and shared under the Analysis section of the app. For reference, here is a view of what the data looks like once it has been collected for an individual. All of this data can be exported to an Excel document or to PDF for further analysis or sharing. We dive deeper into how to understand the language of behavior, which is shown to us through the app in another Getting Started video. This concludes the Data Tracking and Collaboration Getting Started video. Thank you for watching, and if there are any questions or if you ever simply feel stuck using the software, please let us know. All the best.